All right, so we're gonna be doing the 24-hour handcuff challenge. That was so staged. I've never listened to a song so much. You only say that 'cause I'm not around, not around. You know. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get so sick of you already. You can't go anywhere. That hurts. How would you like it if I yanked your arm like that? We're about to do our challenge. Put the handcuffs on. So we got the handcuffs. I'm gonna give the key to my parents. But we're gonna be handcuffed to each other for 24 hours. Which means
we'll basically
everything we're doing.
We'll basically do like 10 p.m. tomorrow. Alright. Ready?
Okay, one wrist.
I'm locked in.
Oh my god. Okay. You know.
3, 2, 1.
We're stuck together.
24 hours begins now.
Okay, we're going to the bathroom to get ready for bed.
Yeah.
Over this already.
We've only had 9 hours of this, and we're so done.
Yeah.
It's lunchtime. We slept until like 11:30. It's almost like 12. And right now it's like 12:30. So we're actually good.
That could have been dangerous. See? This is what I'm talking about. Come here. It gets pushed down into here and then you collect the eggs. Just letting you know that I'm not crazy.
Last night I kept getting scared because I kept hearing rumbling. And Rebecca's like, chill out. It's just the ice machine.
Chill out.
Yeah,
And I'm like, I'm not used to that. So it kept scaring me. Lunch accomplished. So, update, we're still handcuffed. We're going paddleboarding. Don't know if it's the safest thing. My dad doesn't think it's the safest thing, just in case we fall in and, you know, like,
but
drown,
we found out that they're like the little toy ones, so you can like unclip it like really quickly. So
yeah,
I think we'll be fine.
We'll be good.
Oh,
hey, grab the rope.
I am.
That's the wrong rope.
No, it's not. JP
Wait.
undid this one.
Why did he do that?
Because that's how you're supposed to do it.
Adela!
Stop.
She's so over this. It's not even been. We have 8 hours.
I know I'm peeing. Now she's peeing. I want this to be.
Oh, damn it. Update. We're still handcuffed. We took it off for like maybe a minute just to put the bathing suits on. I know we broke it, but we're honest, so.
Oh, shoot. Adela.
I know. We're about to run into a.
Hold on.
Yeah. So, oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Stop hitting me.
On your side.
Okay, for those who don't understand what's going on, we have each our own kayak. But the only way we're staying together.
Go. That fish is gonna jump in our thing.
Ah! There's...
Now you go. This is more annoying than anything.
I feel like you're purposely hitting me.
Ow! My head. Well, maybe, look. Maybe you should watch where your fin is going. How about, can we attach it to our ankles? That's being handcuffed.
30-second timer. Ready?
Set.
Set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. Okay. Well,
This is any better.
it should be.
Okay, go.
Yay!
Vlog, so we're just gonna chill, so we'll see you in a bit.
Update. We're handcuffed again. We took it off for 45 minutes to be on the kayak because it was just failing.
Yeah, we were just staying in the same place.
It was miserable.
We're gonna add another 45 minutes, so.
Oh shoot.
We're chilling with the boys.
All I had was a green pistol. Oh, thank you.
Even though they're not talking to
phone.
us.
Be careful.
I want a snack. You think we got any more garden salsa chips?
Let's go look a snack. I already got mine.
Huh?
You're mine.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
It makes up for us being cranky earlier.
Yeah.
We were so
Bro,
moody.
it fell off. Okay.
You guys failed.
Okay,
On
what
camera, you guys.
happened? Because
Let's do
kinda-
this.
Can you pay my... Okay, so right now we're gonna find a snack. Ow.
Honestly, I don't know.
Oh my gosh, are you not gonna take it back
Let's do a dancing challenge. I need a knife.
For what?
Orange.
Why do you need a knife for the orange? Okay, so we're gonna take a nap. Okay, I'm going on my side.
I'm going on this. But I have to put a penny on mine, right?
But I needed
Maybe
that.
you wanted a mic. It is ready, guys. We're gonna eat dinner for you. Stop.
Okay, Adelita.
Gracias. Thank you, Jesus, for this beautiful day, and bless this food to our body, and that we'll have a good rest of our evening, and just bless this food. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. I'm starving.
This is for Vito.
But
Basically, we realized that we didn't do an outro for the 24-hour challenge. We basically just stopped at eating.
yeah.
So after that, we pretty much ended it. We did like 21 hours. After that, we really were just hanging out with the family and watching movies. And honestly, it came down to I was in the recliner and she wanted to be on the couch.
And
It
they were on the
wasn't gonna
opposite
work.
side of the room, so we just unhooked ourselves. So call us quitters if you want, but I'm pretty proud that we made it 20 hours. I didn't think we were going to make it past the night, let alone the rest of the day. So
I think sleeping was the easiest part for me.
Well, just time went by faster, but still, you can't move
took a lot of naps.
Not really.
Yeah.
Don't forget to comment,
like, and
subscribe.